This is Joe going into the river for my horse's water.
Where's the shallowest bit?
No.
These aren't waterproof. Hi Tony! Doing both usually, honestly. You got a leaf in there.
Next bit.
Walking up the river. How the hell are you supposed to fill it up more than that? Ow! It's wet!
She's a bit idiotic, people. Oh, don't piss yourself, please.
I like rivers!
Oh, do you want to see him on pony? Look, he's gorgeous, isn't he? Hello, Archie. Right, back, back to the water.
It's filling up.
We're going to be here until Christmas. Now, Christmas has been and gone, people. Been and gone.
So good. Why didn't you bring another bucket?
Because I ain't got another bucket.
Archie's food bowl?
No.
Looks like he's sitting this in a minute.
We're going up to motocross in a minute to see if there's any hot lads. And you'll come with us, camera. That'll do.
Shaking off like a dog.
Put it by that hay over there. Stop! I think I'm moving.
Bye, Pony. Gallop.
This is Archie we're on about.